Another Gacha Life video. Today we're gonna be making Charli from the Empire family, and the preset I'm gonna be using is Mumble, and I've already started on her a little bit, not really much. I just labeled her, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using, changing it into Charli. I hope she sees this video. Probably not, but yeah, let's get into it. And please watch this video all the way through to see how she turns out. So far I have a shopping bag in her hand and a teddy bear because she loves Jellycats. Some use the teddy bear as a Jellycat, representing that, as she loves to go shopping and get a lot of different things. So this is how the hairstyles turned out so far. Real hair is 14, front hair is 119, and the back hair is 16. And she has blonde hair. This is the hairstyle I picked for her so far. These are her eyes. I picked number 3, and I picked 9 for the eyebrows. And she always smiles, so let's get into the rest of it. I don't know if she should have pupils. She is a very beautiful girl. She's famous on YouTube. I know a lot of guys know her. So she should have, actually she should have no pupils. She looks better without them. And she doesn't wear glasses, so I'm gonna see what they have for accessories. If there's none good, then I won't put an accessory. I'm just standing up while I'm doing this. Yeah, no accessory. So now go on to the clothes. This is what I have so far, but I'm gonna edit all of this. I don't pick any of the clothes yet. This is, I think, where I left off on this character. Let's see. I don't know what she would look best in. She likes to wear hoodies. She changes her style up a lot, but she always looks beautiful in anything she wears. I love her makeup routine, her vanity tour videos, and I love all of her videos. Those are just like the specifics. And there's many others. I love her challenge videos that she does with her family, her 2 moms, and her brother Presley. I think she would look cute in this. She does like to wear skirts, but not as often, so... And it's probably winter for them right now. But... So maybe I should give her some pants or a cute dress. Like... No, that one looks ugly. I think this is the cutest that it looks. Actually, let's see. This one fits more. I like this one. They've had a lot of new updates since. You guys probably won't watch this too, but let's see. Yeah, the sleeves. She usually wears her sleeves, like short sleeves items, so I think I should give her cute short sleeves. I don't think she needs any gloves, but she does love to wear jewelry, so I'll put that bracelet on her. No, yeah. Well, maybe I should. She usually checks the time. You know what? I'm gonna put the watch on her because it looks better. I mean, that's how I will make her in Gacha Life, so. Those pants. Change the shoes. Nothing too fancy. Cute bear shoes. Because it matches the bear as a Jellycat. Let's see. Now I just have to change the colors to what she would wear. I don't really know what colors she would wear. I think this is cute. She likes bright colors, usually. So I'll make it look like this. And now we'll be back. Welcome back. So I got the gloves and the shoes. The glove is just the watch, and then the shoes is 39, the bare ones where we left off at. And these are the color combinations that I chose. Over to the right. I think they look pretty cute. Cute pants. But I feel like she should have something like this. Right? Or something like this. Let me know down in the comments which one you think is better. This one or this one. I'll go with this one for now. I think this shit looks cute. If you made it this far. Please share this with your friends. And hopefully Miss Charli sees this. So now let's move on to the hats. Hats she usually likes. I feel like she would wear that hat. Although she would wear these, I think. The hat. Should match the bag, I think, in my opinion. That's how she looks cute like this. Everything else. And there's the front pop 106, back pop was 176. And that's basically it. Her personality is happy. She's a vlogger for her occupation. Her power is neutral. She has a level 5. And her relationship is a friend. I hope to become friends with her one day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.